What's good, everyone? Hope everyone's doing well, staying safe. This is Erden, and we are back finally with another live cop video. So for the past few weeks, like I mentioned in my previous video, that I wasn't really having a lot of time to actually record and edit the footages for live cops, so couldn't really do a live cop video until now. But just want to give you guys a summary on how we did for the past few weeks. Some of the main key drops that happened. We were able to cop one of the Kobe 5 DeMar DeRozan PEs, the Zebras. Very happy about that. So far we're 4-4 on all the Kobe releases. Speaking of Kobe's, we do have another Kobe this week. This is the PJ Tucker PEs, and considering the fact that I'm a huge Rockets fan and PJ Tucker is our undersized center and he's the sneaker king of the NBA, and this is a Kobe 5 again, definitely something that we're going to try to go for. So unfortunately I will not be home during that drop, so I will have to turn over my boss to my wife and see if she's able to get a cop one for us. So stay tuned for that. And also we have quite a few Supreme drops that happened for the past few weeks. Your boy wasn't really going for Supremes too hard, and on top of that, with the Supreme changing anti-bots quite a bit during this season, and Mech was having issues, not only Mech but all the other bots were having issues with lags, I wasn't able to hit anything significant. For the Yoji Yamamoto drop, I was able to hit 2 T's and 1 crew neck. That was it. I was not able to hit on any of the Air Force Ones. I really didn't go for it too hard either, but it's alright. But I'm going to be more prepared for Supreme drops later on, because it seems that there's quite a few box logos that are dropping, and I'm definitely going to try to prepare myself for the Air Force One drops again. And with Supreme this week, we actually have a relatively quiet week, but we do have the box logo canvas backpacks. The white one is definitely something I feel is going to have a ton of resale value, and to be honest, I want to have one for myself as well. So that is a very good piece that I'm going to go for. And then with Kith this week, we actually have a pretty nice Monday program. They have the Kith and MLB collaboration. They have, I believe, the Yankees and the LA Dodgers collaborations. Key thing I'm going for is the Yankees pinstripe hoodies. That's definitely, you know, the classic pinstripes for Yankees. That's definitely a hot piece to get. And I was also able to hit on one of the pretty hype releases. This was the Nike Fragment collaboration Jordan 3s. A lot of people have mixed opinions on that, given that it's relatively plain, just black and white. The only thing is it has a little Franklin stamps on the back. Once it comes in, I'll unbox it for you guys as well. So struck out on both of the Michigan dunks. Unfortunately, I never have good luck with dunks anyway, just that it's always missing from my kind of collection. So it is what it is. Unfortunately, that's how the release has been for me. Hopefully you guys had good lucks with it. So just want to say thank you guys so much for your continued support. We're already at 800 subscribers. Hopefully we can break the 1,000 subscriber goal soon. And if you guys do like my video, continue to smash the like button for us and support us. And if you have not done so yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for us, alright? Thank you guys so much, and let's get into this week's live cop. Checking order. Oh, power. Oh, checking order. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's get another one. Let's go. So I was able to get 2 New York Yankees stripe hoodies and 2 box logo blue chrome, what they call it, Dodgers hoodies. So definitely very good about that. Thank you guys so much from Team Balco, and also EasyClick. Their Gmails for 1 clicks is on point right now. And then as always, shout out to Essential by Syed and EssentialCN. Definitely helping me getting more success on Shopify. So shout out. What's good, everyone? Alright, so for the Supreme drop, we're actually gonna have to do a different setting because I'm actually at the doctor's office. Just finished my annual physical. I'm waiting for my wife to get hers done, so we gotta have to wait for her. But that does not stop us from trying to cop Supremes for this week. This week, the main thing we're going for are the backpacks and the totes. So I got my laptops fired up, and then I also have plugged iOS on my phone. So we're gonna try to run for some of those and see how we do. Stay tuned. Let's see how we do for this week. It's gonna be a rough drop, I can imagine, because I don't think I'm gonna have enough internet speed, and my server is actually not working with Mac Prime. So I'm gonna be running on local on my laptop. So it's gonna be fun. Let's see how we do. Submitting order, processing order. No. Oh, I got one checkout. Oh, on Cyber. I got one checkout on Cyber. Thank you. What happened to this? I got 2 checkouts on Cyber. 3 checkouts on Cyber. So oh my gosh. Oh shoot, here we go. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Woohoo! Here we go. So we were able to hit a few totes here after the release, and then on Cyber I was able to hit 4 backpacks. So yeah, overall not bad. Okay, so the interesting drop. This is a relatively slow week, so I just wanted to do it mainly for testing and also have some small flips here and there. But we were able to get some totes, and we were able to hit 4 of the backpacks. And this is me remotely controlling Cyber from far away. So pretty good day. I know that Supreme has been making a lot of changes, so it's been getting harder and harder to spot, and then getting tons of declines, but overall pretty good. So definitely an interesting live cop. So hopefully you guys like this part of it. Right, so I actually got to do one quick unboxing before I ship this out. This is the Kith Monday program that happened this past week. This was the MLB and Kith collaboration. This is the New York Yankees classic pinstripe hoodie. Definitely a very good looking hoodie. I got 2, and then 1 got canceled, but I got 1 probably in my hand, and then these are going out now. So just wanted to show you guys real quick.
大家好，今天你们的蛋哥有事儿出去了，所以我带他抢鞋和录像，希望大家祝我好运。
Okay guys, so I'm finally back. I was running some errands, but the good thing is my wife held it down for me on the bots, and we were able to cop 1 Kobe. So this one is the PJ Tucker PE player exclusive, and I'm a huge PJ Tucker fan. On top of that, he's playing for my favorite team, the Houston Rockets. So as we can see, this shoe is really limited. I think it was around like 800 something stock for Foot Locker. So shout out to my wife who would hit 1, and we struck out on Nike, and I didn't go for it on TSB, but it is what it is. Overall, pretty good day. Kobe's are always hard to come by, so it's good. Another Kobe added to my collection. So hopefully you guys liked my wife's live cop. Hey guys, alright, so let's get started with unboxing stuff. So we got quite a few shoes and some clothes from Kith and Supreme. Not a whole lot in terms of quantity, but from quality perspective, definitely one of the better unboxings for the week. So first of all, we got some of these Supreme Yoji Yamamoto collaboration tees. So we got 1 black, 1 white, and then we have a small black crew neck. Unfortunately, I was not able to hit on these sweaters. That was one of the main items I wanted to go for, but that's all right. These are still very fire pieces. I'm glad I was able to cop. So these are from this week. This was an interesting drop because I was not physically in front of my desktop, and I was actually controlling remote and then running on my laptop at somewhere else. So, but I was able to hit a few of these totes. I got a few of the backpacks on the way as well. But to be honest, these are really high quality. I thought it was gonna be something just like they just slap a Supreme logo on it and then call it a day. but this is actually really high quality, and we're gonna keep one because we actually wanted to use it a lot. So let's open it up. So this is actually really, really good quality. Like, I'm surprised the way they handled it. Oh, it's got a zipper too. I didn't know it had a zipper. Look, had a zipper with it. So let's open it up. Yeah, it's just, I mean, I know it's just a tote, but like it's got a little kind of a little pouch inside where you can keep your valuable things. Really, really nice bag. I think, like, I know my girl's gonna wanna have this when we take our dog to the park or something, like carry her stuff. And also, this could be a nice, just a little everyday carry-on bag for her as well. I mean, obviously I'm not gonna carry this around, but she likes it, and the quality is really nice, to be honest. And then the box logo is stitched on. Yeah, overall really nice. So you saw earlier there was another unboxing. That was the Kith and MLB collaboration with the New York Yankee pinstripe hoodie. I was trying to ship that out, so I just wanted to show it real quick to you guys. And then this was the other one. This is the Kith box logo LA Dodger chrome blue hoodie. That's what they call it. But I gotta say, Kith hoodies are really high quality as well. The way that the material it has, the comfort level, yeah, I really like these. These are probably going out in the next day or two. So again, shout out to Balco for me to be able to cop these. All right, let's get to the shoes. But this is the Nike and Rohan Wong collaboration. This is a really interesting piece. I have not done a whole lot of research on the artist, but it seems like it's a very interesting artistic piece, and I really like the graphics on the shoe and on the box as well. So they have 3 different drops. It was the Nike Air Force 1, the Nike Air Max 90, as well as the Nike Blazer. So I was able to hit on the Air Max 90. Didn't have good luck on the Air Force 1, but it doesn't matter. This is still a really fire piece in my opinion. So let's take a look at the real thing. Oh wow, oh my God. Yo, these, oof. I gotta say, like the graphic on this is just fire, man. Oh wow, what's this say? Power and love, Chinese. I like it a lot. The color, it just pops. So this one is the Kobe 5 DeMar DeRozan piece. Okay, so this has got the patent leather with the grays of the San Antonio Spurs. They call it the zebra, so has the Spurs theme behind it as well. This is DeMar DeRozan PE. It's got a 24 right here to honor Black Mamba, Kobe Bryant's signature on the back. Good looking shoe. So this Kobe is all thanks to my wife. I was not home during the drop, so I just told my wife to go ahead and set it up and run it. And she did, and she was able to cop one for us. So yeah, I'm very grateful. Let's take a look. Okay, so this one has more interesting themes behind it. This is the PJ Tucker piece. So PJ Tucker, as you all know, is like the sneaker king of the NBA. It's a good piece as well. These are not going anywhere. Again, these are all in my collection. Last piece, this is the Air Jordan 3 fragment. Oh, wow, okay. So I know people have been saying that this shoe is really plain. It's just black and white. But yo, I like it. It's simple, it's clean, it's fire. I like it. Really nice, typical Jordan 3 leather, really soft. It's got a fragment inside the tongue right here. It's got the fragment logo in the back with the Jordans hanging on top. It's got the signature fragment stamp on the side of the shoe. I like these. I think these are clean. Alright, so that's all the unboxing we have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you guys do like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have not done so yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for us, alright? Thank you guys so much. And in the meantime, keep it cool, keep it real. This is Erden. Peace out.